Hello dear students. As in the previous class, I asked one question to you peoples that we are going to solve first. Then after we will see the next concept of the derivatives. So y is equal to root 3x minus 5 is the question. So differentiating this question, dy by dx, we know that d by dx of root x is equal to 1 divided by 2 root x. Okay. Differentiate this function. So what we are getting here, 1 divided by 2 root of x replaced by what here? 3x into d by dx of the function, that is 3x minus differentiation of constant is 0. So which is equal to 3 is the constant term. So we are going to write here. What is the differentiation of x? That is 1 divided by 2 root 3x is the solution for this question. If is there any doubt further, you may ask. If no, we will go for the next concept. Okay, one more important topic of derivatives is derivatives of implicit function. Okay, we have been differentiated so many functions which are in the form of y is equal to f of x, but it is not necessary every time the function will be expressed as y is equal to f of x. For example, y minus x minus pi is equal to 0, or y plus sine xy minus x is equal to 0. First case can be rewritten as y is equal to x plus y. Such functions are nothing but explicit functions. And the second case is nothing but implicit function. In the explicit function, dependent variable variable is isolated. In one side of equation. And implicit functions dependent variables are not isolated in one side of the equation. So what we observed in the first case, so dependent variable, why we called y as a dependent? Because as x changes, the value of y changes. X is an independent value because we are going to change the values. As on x changes, the value of the y changes. ಹೆಂಗೆ x ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ y ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ y ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ರೀ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಐಸೋಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, y ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ y ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಐಸೋಲೇಟ್ this function? No, it is not possible. Hence such functions are nothing but implicit functions. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, we are just checking which one we call as implicit and which one as explicit. Explicit ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಐಸೋಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಐಸೋಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿಬೇಕು, implicit function ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿಬೇಕು. So now we are going to differentiate such implicit functions one by one. Let us see. Shall we take this as a first example? Okay, let us solve this. Differentiate the following with respect to x, or you can say find the derivatives. Find the derivatives of the following. That first one, y plus sin xy minus x is equal to 0. Okay, let us differentiate this with respect to x. If you are differentiating, what is the differentiation of y? dy by dx with respect to x, plus differentiation of sin x is cos xy into d by dx of xy, d by dx of xy minus, what is the differentiation of x? d by dx of x is equal to 0. Okay, dy by dx plus cos xy as it is. Now it is a product rule. We know that uv dash is equal to u dash v plus uv dash. By using that, so we are going to solve this. Okay, first u dash means differentiation of first function. What is the differentiation of x? What is the differentiation of x? 1, and y as it is, and differentiation of x is 1, plus x as it is, dy by differentiation of y with respect to x, minus differentiation of x is with respect to x is equal to 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, now dy by dx plus, if you multiplied y into cos xy plus x cos xy dy by dx is equal to, this minus 1 goes to that side, it becomes plus 1. Take a dy by dx common from these two. Dy by dx 1 plus, what's remain here? X cos xy is equal to 1 minus y cos xy. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y cos xy divided by 1 plus x cos xy. This is the solution for this question, this implicit function. So I am going to repeat this question again. So let us see once again. Okay, the function is implicit because it can't be dependent variables can't be isolated. So therefore, y plus sin xy minus x is equal to 0. It is given function. If we are differentiating this y, we are getting dy by dx. Differentiation of sin x is cos x into, so in place of x what we have? xy. So that's what we are going to differentiate here, d by dx of xy minus differentiation of x with respect to x is dx upon dx is equal to 1. In the next step we are going to write and is equal to 0 as it is. dy by dx plus cos xy by the product rule, differentiate the first function first and second function as it is. Second function as it is we kept. So differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus first function as it is, that is x we have here. So differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx, and this is equal to 1 we know is equal to 0. So dy by dx, if you multiplied y cos xy plus x cos xy dy by dx, take dy by dx separate from these two terms. So what is remaining here? 1 here, x cos xy. This goes to that side. What it becomes? 1 minus y cos xy. If we are divided, 1 minus cos xy divided by 1 plus x cos xy is the solution for this. Okay, pause the video to note the next question.